TNW Enduro. Today we're going to be testing my 2024 KTM 250 XCF against Russ's 2024 350 XCF. Comparison I've wanted to do for a while. I'm loving this 250. I've 18 hours on it now, I think it is. But I also really liked Russ's 350 when I tested it before, and I was torn on getting a 250 or a 350. So I still think I made the right decision because I really enjoy this bike. But today will be interesting. So as you can see, we're fully into the wet season here. So the 250 I find is extremely stall resistant for a 4-stroke. It'll be interesting to see if I feel the same on the 350. I haven't really found the 250 lacking in power either. But I'm guessing I'm going to prefer the torque on the 350. This 250 is actually lighter than my 300 two-stroke by a couple pounds, I think it was. Okay, Russ is up ahead on my 250 now. So I'll put it on the screen, but for reference, the 350 has the graphics on the front. My fender's just a bare orange. First thing I noticed, a lot more engine braking on the 350. Surprising. Both bikes are stock suspension. Russ has got about 30 hours on his. This bike also has a Recluse. Do my best to ride it like it doesn't now. Climbs, that's where the torque of this 350 is amazing. Okay, back on my 250. I've also turned traction control on. I've never actually used it, so I figure I'm finally in conditions that might need it. I'll give it a try. The 250 does require more frequent shifting. You can kind of just put it in third and go anywhere. Like this little section of trail here on the mountain. Little technical spots. Try the white map. The 250 is always in the green map. The white map, the power is a little underwhelming. Yeah, I definitely prefer the green map on both bikes. I just don't like the feeling of the restricted power on the white map. I think if you have good clutch control, then the white map is not really necessary. So the 350 has an oversized tank on it. So that's probably where I'm feeling the bike feels heavier side to side turning in the tight trails. More weight and fuel in there. Yeah, more engine braking. I feel like I'm more jerky on the throttle on 350. Probably because I'm just not used to the extra power. I managed to get the fan, come on. Suspension is nice and plush, feels good. New WP suspension, I'm really happy with. One of the things things I like best about the 250 is I feel like I'm riding this bike more to its potential. Like, you gotta ride it harder. You gotta bring it out more. That's fun. I know I'm not actually riding it anywhere close to its full potential, but it feels a little bit like it. I think power-wise, the 250 is plenty for me. I'm about 175 or so with gear, 150 without gear, so 175, 180 with a full pack and everything. So Russ is heavier than me. I bet you he's feeling that 250 is quite a difference in power compared to the 350 he's used to. But I'd say bigger guys, if you're over 200 pounds, the 250 would work, but the 350 is probably a better choice. Both bikes would be really good for hare scramble racing. Pulls a little bit nicer up those little climbs like that. It's more effortless. No problem on the 250, of course. I was actually expecting a bit of a bigger difference in the feel of these two bikes as far as the power. Honestly, I could be really happy on either one. It'd be a great choice for me. Like I said, probably bigger guys, 350 is the way to go. More aggressive rider, if you like small bore two-strokes, definitely 250. 250F is going to be a good choice for you. But if I was buying again today, it'd still be a hard choice, honestly. Less prone to overheating, which is good. Both of them definitely going to need a fan. This is the factory edition, so it came with the fan. I put the Trailtech one on my 250. Okay, clear that little poker there. little brighter out. That's nice. I'm filming with the Osmo Action 3 today. I'm kind of in between action cameras. I did just return one to get something else. More on that later. But I just can't trust using the GoPros anymore. Oh, the 350 is so good when you get a little bit more flowy trails. Something I think about too much when buying bikes. I just buy the bike I want, but I would think the resale value on the 350s is going to be better than the 250. They're just more in demand. But I bought 2 Turcos, so that shows you that I don't care about resale value that much, because they do not hold their value like a KTM. Even though they're great bikes, they're definitely harder to sell. Sunshine coming out, that's nice.